This is my 1989 Honda Civic DX hatchback. And right now I'm going to be working on replacing back rear windshield wiper. The connector on this is not your normal J-shaped hook on the arm. So it looks like I'm going to need to remove it from here. This whole unit will come off. There's a hole with the pin there. There are two clips that I'm going to open up right here and right there, but there's also another set right here and right there. I'm going to pull those off. Took some time prying these tabs off, so I use this putty knife to bend those tabs over. I will use this for the last part. When the tabs are off, I'm able to take that off and it just comes off now. There's that hole with the pin. We're going to utilize that pin for attaching the replacement. So the bottom one here is the replacement, and this is the top one, the original. And as you can see, the connector site is different. This is the replacement. It's called a Weather Ace, 16 inches. We're going to use this clip that's attached with the replacement wiper. Take this arm and insert it into this hole here. And you can see there's a hole right there. It's going to correspond to that pin. We want to insert it up to that point. And there's a release lever right here if we need to release it later. We slip this on. And we slide it in up so that pin goes into that hole. Alright, there we go. It doesn't come off. And that's it.